Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to enable dark mode on TikTok application using your mobile device. If you want to turn on the dark mode on TikTok, then here's how you can easily do it so that your interface is eye-friendly whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. Now go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile button. Inside your profile page, tap the three dots at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Display. Under Display, choose Dark. Soon after you do that, you will be able to use the dark theme for your TikTok app interface. You can repeat this step and choose light if you ever want to switch back to light mode on TikTok. And there you have it. You can enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience on TikTok, especially in low light environments. Dark mode not only reduces eye strain but also conserves battery life on OLED screens. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.